Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. Hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a very long time that I have uploaded the videos because I was busy in my projects and travel plans. So most of the people asked me to make a video on the price upload using Lsmw. So this is a very important concept. Why it is a very important concept? Because any mistake in the price will impact all your sales orders and all your invoices which you have raised to the customer. And it will also impact the profit and loss statement. And it's a very bad name for you as well. So uploading price master in the production plays a very important role. So before uploading a price master, you have to validate certain master data and then you should proceed to upload the price in SAP. So in this video, let us see how we can upload the price master using LSMW and what combinations we have to take in real time and what data that is required from the client side that you should be aware of. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. So let us quickly start doing our activity as a consultant in the SAP. Usually, when I'm making videos, I don't teach what you have to do. I will teach what I am going to do in real time as a consultant because that's where for a fresher or a person who want to switch from non-SAP to SAP will get that confidence when he starts working as a SAP consultant. Okay. So coming to the concept, the price master upload. So first you should know what is the condition type you're going to use. Okay. As a consultant, you should be aware of what condition type you're going to use for uploading the price master. Okay. First one is condition type. Condition type. Okay. Now, after choosing the condition type, you have to decide what is a key combination that for which you want to upload the price master. Okay. So key combination. So condition type. So for example, I want to use PR00 condition type to upload the price master. Okay. Because PR00 is the standard condition type which represents the sales price. Okay. Key combination. So we can have multiple key combination to upload the price masters. Okay. For example, we have plant plus material combination, or we can have plant plus material plus customer combination, or we can have just a middle combination. So who will decide all this? So client will tell you what is the key combination that you want to select because they will be aware that for a particular customer or for a particular material what price system has to pick. Okay. So this is the condition type and this is the key combination. So let us assume we want to go for a combination of plant plus material. Okay. Plant plus material. Now, what are the data that you require from the client side to upload the price master using LSMW? So the first one is you have to know condition type. So like I told, condition type, this is the condition type which you will be knowing. So after the condition type, so what is the combination that we have? We have plant combination. Okay. And what is the next combination we have? We have material combination. We have material combination. So condition type, plant, material, what is the price? And what is the unit, whether it is INR or USD or euro, what price you're going to sell to that customer. And next, this price is validity. It is valid from and to. Okay, valid from, valid to. So this is the validity of the price. So these are the data that you have to select from the customer. Okay, let me highlight this. So these are the data that you have to select as for the client. So condition type, you will be aware of the condition type, plant, material, price, unit. Unit means the price unit, whether it is INR, USD or Euro, valid from and valid to. So now let us see in SAP how we can create this LSMW to upload the price master for this key combination. In this video, I have taken three materials and the plant is 1100 is the plant. Okay, these are the three materials, and 1100 is the plant. Okay, now before uploading or before creating LSMW, make sure all these materials are available in this plant. Okay, now go to SAP, go to SE16N. Okay, so what is the table to check whether the materials are available in the plant or not? So let me go to Mara, not Mara, MARC. Go to MARC, yeah, MARC, plant data for material. Okay, now copy all the materials. Now pass all the materials here, click on execute. Now what is the plant? The plant is 1100. Copy the plant. Now execute. Now execute. So now you can see all the three materials are available in the plant. Okay. Note that in real time, see, in real time, you will get 10,000, 20,000 line items in real time. Okay. So you have to validate each and everything. If you find some materials are not available in that particular plant, you have to drop an email to client saying that there is some data which is missing, please provide. Okay. So now in my example, I have all the materials which is available in plant 1100. Now I am good to upload the price master for this combination. And for this, I have to create LSMW. Okay. So like I mentioned in my last video, the T code to create LSMW is LSMW itself. Okay. Go to LSMW, click enter. Okay. Now let me create my own project, subproject, and object for the price master upload. Okay. So what is the key combination that I have taken? I have taken plant plus material. Okay. So before that, what I'll do, I'll go to /o vk11, go to vk11. What is the condition type I'm choosing? I'm choosing PR00 is the condition type. Now click on this key combination. Okay. In this key combination, you can see the plant slash material. See, I'll close this. I'll come back. I'll go to vk11 again, go to PR00, click on key combination. You can see that by default, system will select the first radio button. Okay. Now you have to choose for which radio button you're going to upload the price master. For example, I want to upload plant slash material combination. Okay. This is the third radio button. Okay. So now in this condition type, we have this combination. So now we are good to create the LSMW. Okay, now click on continue. Let me come out of this screen. Now go to PR, now go to LSMW T code, LSMW T code, click enter. Okay, now let me create my own project, sub project, and object. Okay, so project. So for example, I will give plant plus material. Okay, plant sub project also I'll give the same name you can give. Okay, object is plant plus material. Okay, system will tell that no object exists with the name plant plus material. Now click on create. Now click on create. So now give the description as price upload, click enter. Now I'll copy the same description and I will paste here, click enter. I'll give the same description, click enter. Now click on execute. So you can see the price upload. Okay. Now click on execute. So now select the first line item, click on execute. Now go to change mode. Okay. Now select the batch input, Okay. Now click on this recording overview. Now go to create recording. Now give the recording name. For example, PR12 underscore 1 or PR12, not PR12. I'll give, for example, BK11 is the T code underscore PR00. Okay. Description, price upload, click enter. Now, what is the transaction code? BK11 is a transaction code. Now, what is the condition type? The condition type is PR00. Click enter. System will show the first radio button. Now you have to select the plant slash material combination. Click on continue. Okay. Now give the plant. Plant is 1100 is the plant. Now I'll take the material. So I'll go back here. I can take any material. Okay, let me take this material because this material is already there in 1100 plant. Okay, I'll give the material. Now, what is the amount? For example, I want to sell this for 12 rupees. And what is the unit? Unit is INR because the plant is in India. So I am selling in rupees. Okay. So now valid from and valid to. For example, this price is valid from today, that is 20th of December 2025 to it is valid up to 30th of December. Okay. Now click enter and save this okay. So now what you have to do, click on default all. Okay, see there is various methods of uploading or using LSMW tool. In my last video, what I have shown, I have double clicked on this, I have copied the field name, I have pasted in my last video. Okay, so you don't have to use the same method all the time. You can also go for a different method. Okay, for example, I can click on default all. Okay, click on default all. Okay, now what system will say that what now, so what system will do, system will bring the description of each field. For example, the condition type, this is selection indicator. Okay, this is a selection indicator. For example, now what do you mean by selection indicator? For example, if I go to VK11, okay, TR00, I'll click on the key combination. Now what is my selection indicator? My selection indicator is plant slash material 1, 2, 3. So if I go back to this LSMW, you can see that for the first indicator, it is blank because we are not selecting the first indicator, right? So if I go back here, this is the first indicator. I don't want this indicator. I am selecting the third indicator, which is plant slash material. And that is why you can see that selection indicator for the third SCLKZ, selection indicator underscore 03, as this X mark. Okay, so you can select or click default all and you can save it. Okay, now save it. Now come back. Okay, now recordings, click on F4. VK11 underscore PR00 is my project name or recording name. Now save it. Now come back. Now maintain source structures. Click on execute. Now go to change mode. Now click on create. For example, what is my source structure? For example, VK11 underscore PR00. I don't know whether because I have already used it. So let me see whether it will allow or not. Price, upload, click enter. Okay, it is already used. So now what I will do, I will give underscore 1. Now click on continue. Now save it. Come back. Now maintain source fields. Click on execute. Now simply go to change mode. Okay. Now select this. Now click on this table maintenance. Okay. So now what you have to do, now let me close this. I'll come back. Now go to again LSMW. Go to LSMW, click enter. Now this is your project details. Now click on execute. Now click on this object overview. Now select table. Select table. Now these are the fields that we have. Okay. So don't take table name and T code. Now take from the condition type because from here we gave the input, right? So select all this. Control C. Now go back to your paste here. Now what is type? All these are characters. Okay. Give C. So I'm giving C and C. Now you have to give the length of this. Okay, the length of this you can see here. Okay, you can see here. So the condition type, the length of this condition type is you have 4, and the selection indicator. What is the length of this? The length of this is also 1. Okay, this is 1. Sorry. So give this as 1. Okay. Now this is also 1. 1. Works means what? Plant. The plant is 4. The material. So if you go back to this table, you can see that the material is 18. The material is 18. Now the next is KBETR underscore 01. So what is the length of this? It is 16 and 5. I'll give this 16. Here I'll give 5. And what is the length of the date? 10. This is also 10. Click enter. Okay. So now system will try to bring the description of this year. If it does not bring, you can copy the same field name and you can paste it here. Okay. Paste here and save it. Save it. Now come back. Save it. Now again come back. Now click on execute. Now go to change mode. Now save it. Come back. Now click on execute. Okay. Now go to change mode. So in my last video, I used to double click on this and I was doing the manual mapping, but you can also do automatic mapping. And this method was shown by one of my friend Arvind. So thanks to him. So now go to extras. Now go to auto field mapping because this helped me a lot in my real time project because every time I used to double click and do the manual mapping, but this automatic mapping helped a lot and it avoided the confusions and thanks to him. Now click on continue. Now system will do automatic mapping. For example, VK11 underscore PR0. So this was our project name. Now this condition type KSEHL, it is mapping with this field. Okay. Now accept the proposal, accept the proposal, accept, 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 accept. Suppose if system is trying to map with different field name, you can refuse the proposal. Okay. Accept, accept, accept. Now click on continue. So system has done this automatic mapping. Now save this. Now save this. Save this. Okay, now come back. So now what we have to do, we have to prepare our file. Okay, go to Excel sheet. Go to Excel sheet. Okay, go to Excel sheet. So now if I go back to this table maintenance, okay, first we have condition type and next and condition type we have and before plant we have two more fields. Okay, now I have to go to the Excel sheet. So insert two columns here. Okay, insert two columns. So what is this? This is called as selection indicator. Selection indicator 1. Okay. Now control C, control V. This is selection indicator 3. Okay. So now what is our condition type? Our condition type is PR00 is the condition type. Now selection indicator 1 should be blank because I don't want to go with the first combination. I have to go with the third combination. So click on X here. Now, what is a plant? 1100 is the plant. And what is the material? So for example, let me take this material now. Okay, I'm taking this material. Control V. Now, what is the price? I want to sell this for 18 rupees. And what is the sales unit, the sales price unit, that is INR, valid from. So I want to give 2012 2025 to 15 or to 30 12 2025. Okay, now this is my data now. Okay, so you have to ask your client to give in this format. So you have to explain them this format and you have to take the data from them in this format. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all this without heading. Okay, I'm just copying this. I'm copying this. I'm going to my notepad. I'm pasting that here. Okay, click on backspace because it will take the next line item. Now save it. Go to file, save as. Okay, go to desktop. Now this is price master. I'll give the price master. Click on save. Now go back to your LSMW. Go back to LSMW. Now select specify files. Now click on this specify files and click on execute. Okay, now go to change mode. Now you have this legacy data heading, right? Now double click on this. Now select your file. Okay. Now I'll click on this. Now I'll go to desktop. Okay, now where is my file? The price master, this is my file. Click on open. Now give the name. Okay, give the name as, you can give any name here. Okay, no problem. The price master. And don't forget to select on this tabular column because we copied all the data from Excel, right? And even in the Word doc, even in the notepad also, when we pasted system, consider it as a tabular function. Okay, that is the reason you have to select the tabular whenever you copy the data from Excel and paste in a notepad. You have to select the tabular here. Now click on continue. Okay, now save this. Save this. Come back. Now assign files, click on execute. Now go to change mode and simply save this. Come back. Now read data, click on execute. Click on execute. Now remember my decision, click on allow. So you can see the number of records here. So there is only one record. Okay. Now come back, click on execute, click on continue. Now if you double click on this, okay, what is your condition type? It is PR00. Selection indicator is blank, and selection indicator that is plant plus material combination is X, because whatever the data that I'm going to upload, it has to upload for the combination 3, which is plant plus material. What is my plant? It is 1100. What is my material? CK730. For what price I'm going to sell? I'm going to sell for 18 rupees, and this is the validity period of this price. Okay, now come back, click on execute, come back, come back. Now display converted data, click on execute, Now double click on this. So you can see each and everything. So what is the table? What is the table name? VK11 underscore. So this is the project that we created. What is the transaction code? What is the condition type? System will also display the length of each field. So whatever we have given in the table maintenance. Okay. Now come back. Now click on execute. Keep batch input folders. Click on execute. Now run batch input session, click on execute. So whenever you get a price master to upload in the system, for example, you'll get 20,000, 30,000 line items. Every time what you have to do, first you have to upload for the first line item and see whether your LSMW is correct and it is uploading and all the data is sitting in the table. Only when everything works fine, then you have to go to mass upload. Initially, don't go with the mass upload because it will cause a lot of issues. Okay. First, every time upload any one record and then go for the mass upload. Okay. So whenever you're doing for the first record in the production system, or whether development or quality anywhere, so go to process. First, click on process foreground. If everything is working fine, when you're uploading in mass, you can go for background. Now you go with the foreground. Now click on process. Now system will take you to VK11 screen. Okay, so this is the PR12, which is correct. Click on continue. See, it has gone to third combination X. Okay, now click on continue. Now you can see system has taken the plant at the right place. System has taken the material at the right place. System has taken the amount at right place. Currency in the right place, and valid from and valid to in the right place. See, it is correctly sitting in proper fields. Now we are okay with this. Okay, click on continue. So where is the continue button here? Click on continue, click on continue. Okay, you can see that status is processed, which means that there is no error. So you can see that there is no errors, and you can see that the success message is 1. So click on this, go to analysis. Okay, you can see the processed is 1. Okay, we don't have any incorrect here. Okay, now come back. So once the upload is completed, now go to VK12 PR00, click enter. Now go to plant material combination. So this is the plant. So what is the material that we have chosen? So the material that we took was this one, right? 730. Click on execute. You can see 18 rupees. So the price master has been uploaded in the system in a proper way. So this is how. So once you complete for the first record and once you validate, then only you have to go for the mass upload. So it's a very easy, right? So the easiness depends upon how how well you create your LSMW and how well you validate your master data before uploading. If everything is correct, then LSMW and the result of LSMW is as expected. Okay, everything will go in the right way. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please share this video to your friends. And if you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe, because like I told, it will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Have a nice day. Thank you.